humans start getting creative, the sky is the limit. Throughout history, humans have created many staggering and sometimes revolutionary things. While some might be as small as making doing groceries a little easier, some inventions have proven to be a lifesaver. Yes, you got that right. Some man-made inventions are potent enough to save someone's life. In this video, we will go over 10 of these incredible inventions. Number 10. KIDDE Fire Escape. Can you imagine a world with no fire escape? Well, yes, that is precisely what it was before 8th April 1766. The first ever fire ladder was used in the United States when the city was experiencing the construction of its first ever multi-story building. When it comes to escorting people out of a fire emergency, there is no way out without using a fire ladder. Luckily, this incredible KIDDE fire escape is available in sizes from 13 to 25 feet and weighs around 7.7 pounds, so that it won't be a hassle carrying it around. The ladder is ideal to use on 3 to 4 story buildings and could hold up to thousands, so you are in safe hands. However, the only drawback is that the ladder can only be used once, and you will have to check it out afterward. Number 9. LIFESAVER Storm Shelters. Well, when we are talking about accident emergencies, it is impossible to keep tornadoes and hurricanes off the list, especially when it comes to countries such as the United States. In May 2022, a tremendous tornado struck the city of Gaylord, whereas in 2021, New York was flooded by Hurricane Ida. Considering the potential effects of such vigorous hurricanes, people are inclined to buy storm shelters. These storm shelters usually cost around $3,500 and could be planted above or integrated underground. Or, if you are looking for something that takes less space, then these mini ones would do a great job since they can easily be kept inside your home. The manufacturer is EF5 tornado-proof, and the shelters are guaranteed to resist winds as strong as 200 miles per hour, which is strong enough to knock a tree off its place. Lastly, to get your hands on one of these shelters, all you have to do is give the brand a call, fill out a short form, and they will bring it right to your residence for free verification. Number 8. Life Drone. Up next, we have the Life Drone, a life-saving gadget originating from the masterminds of South Korea. The fantastic thing about this drone is that it has a raft integrated into it. So let's say this drone is hovering above a sea and detects a person drowning. It automatically goes towards them, pops out a raft, and then brings the person back to the rescue boat or the shore. Cool, isn't it? The best part is that these drones are readily available in the market since the flood stats have been high over the years. Number 7. HELITE e-Turtle. According to the statistics, people riding motorbikes are 13 times more at risk of getting injured during a road accident. So it's necessary to step out with all the essential protective gear, which includes this HELITE e-Turtle safety vest. Now, this safety vest is not just any vest, but instead comes equipped with a multi-sensor system, the type of sensors that are usually integrated at the front of a motorcycle. Additionally, the turtle technology guarantees complete protection of essential body organs. The vest is quite tamped as a cherry on top, so it could easily be worn above your regular clothing. The vest has an extensive volume of 1,037 to 1,709 cubic inches and could be used repeatedly, but you will have to replace the carbon dioxide canister. Number 6. Rescue Evacuation System. We all can agree that evacuation is a tiring and problematic task, but with such innovative inventions at hand, the process gets a little easier. The manufacturers of the Rescue Evacuation System claim that it does not just make the process a lot easier, but also less time-consuming. We believe them since it has been used in several countries worldwide, including South Korea and Israel. The system provides the speediest transport of rescuers from one floor to the other and is suited to people of all ages and sizes. Additionally, it takes a maximum of 2 to 4 minutes to brace and assemble for an evacuation. Lastly, it allows mass evacuation, which is crucial for busy cities such as New York. Number 5. WANFANG LIFESAVER. Talking about evacuation, we have another invention that could be a lifesaver in such situations. This evacuation cable system is said to easily transport around 100 people from as high as a 20-story building within 15 minutes. The process is fundamental so that children can even learn how to operate it. All you've got to do is throw the cable down the building and then put on the sling attached to it and slide downwards. The only force you will have to exert is departing from the wall. And if there are multiple people evacuating simultaneously, then the cable extends a bit to allow everyone to descend quickly without bumping into each other. Number 4. Line Thrower PLTR 150. In a country such as the United States, where drowning is the third leading cause of death, this line thrower could do wonders. Even though the concept behind this invention was mooring, it could be effective in saving a dying person. The line thrower allows you to send off a rope from 330 to 490 feet, considering how thick the rope is. Costing around $150, the line thrower comes equipped with plastic projectiles and comprehensive rubber tips to ensure a precise dart. Number 3. LIFERAFT Rescue Tip Board. When it comes to rescues on water and ice, this company, the Netherlands, has got something unique to offer, which we must say is right on time since it's predicted that the city of Amsterdam will be completely flooded by 2030, owing to the increasing sea levels. The system comprises of 2 separate units, the towing front and the uniquely shaped raft, which enable the victims to be pulled out of the water as quickly as possible. The rescuers usually work in pairs, where one is responsible for the towing unit, whereas the other is focused on pulling the victim out. The raft could be inflated within 30 seconds, and the towing team has a speed of around 12.4 miles per hour. Number 2. AUTOLIV airbags. The need to make transport more flexible is growing by the day. Micromobility has seen a hike in demand in US and Europe, and it's predicted to only go up from here. Electric motorbikes are especially getting the highlight and are expected to take up around 70 to 80% of the market by the year 2030. Nonetheless, riding an electric bike comes with its risks, and in order to prevent them, the intellects at this Swedish-American company have brought out these airbags. The manufacturers offer 2 different types of airbags, one which could be attached to the bike and one which could be stuck on a car. The product is currently in the testing stage, but judging from the progress, it won't be long before it's available in the market. Number 1. GRANTHAM MECHVENT. Lastly, we have an invention that was made with the needs of a firefighter in mind, since its primary purpose is to quickly cool the room and lead the smoke out of the room. The manufacturers say that even the most modern current equipment needs to be more stable to provide protection for more than a few minutes. The GRANTHAM MECHVENT is a versatile system that sucks the smoke out of the room as well as extinguishes any existing flames. The system has an inspiring background story, as the designer himself was a firefighter compelled to take action after seeing the lacking of the local fire department. The manufacturers are currently working on bringing out the second and a more upgraded variant, which its weight has been cut down from 82 to 47 pounds. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and bell buttons. Also, to stay notified, subscribe to our channel. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.